Hey guys, Will Gill here from Android Authority, and today we've got an app review for you. And this is a pretty simple app. It's called Lemon, and it scans receipts and stores the information from the receipts. Um, One main feature of this is that it will take the data from the receipts and just basically categorize them. So it's like a scanner. Think of it as a scanner. It will scan the information. One of those smart scanners that are out and scan the information and actually digitally input it into the memory here. So you can create an account for you so you can store secure receipts. Um, One thing is Lemon has a pricing plan. It's free to get the app, but it's also $7.99 a month if you want personalized at lemon.com shipping at lemon.com shipping address, unlimited storage, like that stuff. You can only have 100 receipts a month on the free version, and you can have unlimited on the $16 a month version. I think it's kind of irrelevant to have $16 a month just for scanning receipts. I think it's kind of a little too far fetched. I mean, what if people pay World of Warcraft that money? I mean, come on. But enough about silly games. Let's get into the app. I've got a few on here, but I'm going to show you something. When I scan the receipt here, though, it will see black for you because I am doing a screencast, which doesn't allow me to use my camera at the same time. But you will be able to see the overall picture when I'm done with it. Here we go. All right, I'm just going to get my receipt ready. Some noise going on right now. Um, I'm gonna kind of cheat on this because I got a little bit of information on here that I would not really love to share with people. But as you can see, here's an image. And just make sure your part is on the edge. See where the blue lines were before? It will say make sure you're on the edge of the receipt. And if you got a longer receipt, you can add something called parts, which will be on the bottom here. But if you have a shorter receipt, I had a longer receipt, but if you have a shorter receipt, just click the finish button. You'll be brought to a page where you can add labels. I use it for personal use, cash, paid with cash, and you can do a new label. Um, One downfall of this app is creating a new label, like a custom label. For me, it really glitches my app up, and it's really unstable. So they really have to fix this app. There's a few bugs in it, and that's one of them. After you're done with that, you can save it. And okay, so finally it did something. Um, it will take a long time for it to store the information. So it will basically take the information from the app and add it to the device. So here's one that I got from Best Buy. And it gives me information on it. That's cool. And it will say your receipt is being processed, the image is available now, and so it will be checked back in a few. It will say this, okay, so see on a couple of my things, it says check back in a few minutes. It will then turn to the thing just like Best Buy, and then it will do something else where it scans the app. So it does take more than a few minutes. It took about a half an hour to 45 minutes for me on that one. And as you can see, I automatically went back to the home page because on the Lemon app because that's a glitch that's on here, a bug that I need to fix. But as you can see, there's my app right there. I mean my receipt. Anyway, not my app. But this app is really good. The downfalls of it, I was gonna say that it wasn't storing the app, but I guess I mean the receipt. Why do I keep on saying app? I guess it wasn't storing the receipt, and that's why I was gonna say it was a bad app. But I actually think that it's doing well. It's just the one downfall of it is it takes a long time for it to store the receipt. Probably because I had a lot of information on there. Probably takes 10 minutes tops for small receipts, but that took around 25 minutes, 20 minutes. So what would I give this out of 5 stars? Probably 3.5. Wouldn't give it quite a 4 yet. It takes a long time for the receipts to scan, and the bugs in there are pretty ignorant. And the labels are cool, but besides that, I think it's a great app. So if you're doing taxes or whatever, you're organizing receipts, it's a great app for you. And I really recommend this app for anybody that's looking for that type of capability. Once again, my name is Will Gill from Android Authority. You can check us out at androidauthority.com. Our YouTube page is youtube.com/androidauthority. You can look at our app reviews, and you can also comment on a lot of those videos and also on the website. So thank you very much.